Depression. Well, depression is something that all of us go through at some point or the other. Depression is that sinking feeling that you get in your heart, in your chest. It's that feeling that nothing is seeming good anymore. There's no happiness left. It's not worth living anymore. There's nothing to look forward to. You feel very low. How much ever you try, you're not able to push yourself. You're not able to drive yourself. There's no zeal. There's no purpose to live. Well, we all go through this. These are situational things that we go through. When something happens to us, something very disappointing happens to us, we feel like that. It's a natural, it's a body's reaction to feel like that. But we come out of it. Our body has the capacity to come out of it on its own. But when you're not able to come out of it on its own, that is when you go to the doctor, to the psychiatrist. He will evaluate you and he will say that you're going through depression. Now, once he evaluates you, he'll put you onto medications called as antidepressants. Once you start on antidepressants, you start to feel better, or mood elevators they are called as. You start feeling better, you go back to your routine, you continue with life, then you slowly try to reduce the medication, and as you reduce the medications, you find it coming back again. Then this goes on for about a month, about 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Well, these medicines do have side effects too. They'll make you put on weight, and they have other side effects also. And it goes on, the process. What can homeopathy do? We get a lot of people who have been diagnosed with depression and who are on medication, but we also get a lot of people who have not yet started medicines for depression. Now, for those who have not started medication, the treatment is pretty simple. We are able to help them much faster. We look at what is the situation or what is the state of mind that is causing depression. There are wonderful, homeopathy works on the mental symptoms. So there are wonderful medicines in homeopathy which can help you cope up with depression. If it's taken in the initial stages, a little bit of time, 2 months, 3 months time, you get out of it, you're fine. We also get people who are already on antidepressants. So such kind of people, what we do is we give a combination of homeopathy and allopathy, and over a period of time reduce the allopathic medication. Now this is the problem. A lot of people who are on allopathic medications are not able to get off the antidepressants. The moment they stop it, they are back to square one. Such kind of people, they should start on homeopathy, allopathy together for about 3 months or 4 months time, see how they are feeling, and then slowly reduce the allopathic medications and be on homeopathy. It's so much easier to get off homeopathic medication. So this is the way we tackle depression, and I always suggest, along with depression, when people who are depressed, along with the medication, you also get onto a lot of yoga, get onto breathing exercises. Meditation is something that can definitely help. Particularly breath yoga, breathing exercises is something that I've seen a lot of people improve. No diet restrictions as far as I am concerned. What would I do if I was diagnosed with depression? Well, I would look at what is the situation that caused depression for me. I would evaluate the situation. I am somebody who strongly believes in destiny. I believe what is meant to happen will anyway happen, good or bad. So my take on it would be, whatever has happened is something that was destined to happen. I would not think much about it. I would accept it. I would take it as a part of my destiny. If I'm still not able to get over the depression, then I would definitely take homeopathic medicines, because I know for sure I've been able to help a lot of people. I would do a lot of yoga, I would do a lot of meditation. I would probably do inner engineering by Sadhguru, which also helps change your state of mind. You also need to keep in mind that depression can be hereditary. It can also come without any reason. The father or the mother could be having it and you might end up in depression. This is somewhere homeopathy can do a lot for you. I certainly would not want to get onto antidepressants and live my life on antidepressants, because I know for a fact that once I am on that, it takes away my capability of being myself. I am not going to be myself. I am going to be under medication. My thoughts will be clouded. I would probably sleep a lot more. I would put on a lot of weight. I wouldn't want to live like that. And if you think that depression only happens to people in the city, you're mistaken. Depression also happens to a lot of people in the rural areas. They go through way more psychological trauma than you and I go through, particularly financial traumas, harassment by landlords, harassment by people with money, and they do go through a lot of farmers, they commit suicides. These are depression. But they are not on allopathic medications or they don't do antidepressants and all that. They get back, they fight. 70% of the Indian, you think they can afford going to a psychiatrist for counseling, for medication? The body is capable of taking care of anything on its own. You just have to give it time, you have to trust it, and you have to let it take care of you. Yeah, I would let my body handle it. I would take the support of homeopathy because it's a very natural medicine. There are no side effects, and I would definitely let my body handle my depression. Be confident. You will be able to get out of it. Contact us if you have depression. We will help you come out of it in a very safe way.